is a real force. Drew McIntyre.
Revamped attitude, revamped appearance.
Making his way to the ring from Ayr, Scotland, weighing in at 254 pounds, Drew McIntyre.
McIntyre's made it his mission to eliminate all the complacency in WWE. You know, Drew McIntyre arrived and he was the chosen one. Handpicked by WWE Chairman Mr. McMahon. And Drew will admit that he became complacent. Felt like he didn't have to work hard to get to the top. When he got fired, he went away, he got a new attitude, and now he's back, bigger and badder than ever, with a vengeance.
Yeah, this new attitude from Drew McIntyre dictates he will take
one of the greatest performers in the history of WWE.
And his opponents, first, from Sarasota, Florida, weighing in at 239 pounds, Macho Man,
Intensity redefined. Macho Man, one of the all-time greats.
a role model and inspiration for countless WWE superstars.
Who'll ever forget WrestleMania 3? How about WrestleMania 4, Cole, when Macho Man won the tournament to capture the WWE Championship? It's a blueprint for what it is to be a WWE superstar. Macho Man has it all.
Oh, yeah.
from the pits of hell, weighing in at 321 pounds, Kane.
Guys, this ladder match should be as exciting as it will be dangerous.
If you're afraid of heights, I assure you this is not the match for you.
The ladder match promises to be anything but ordinary. Am I right, guys?
That's the truth, Michael. In fact, given what's on the line, I suspect we'll see these superstars go to lengths they've never imagined were even possible.
favorite businessman.
The Godfather? I've stricken that from my memory. I choose to only remember the good times.
What are you guys talking about? The Godfather is one of the classiest characters in WWE history. You know what, guys? I bet I could have grooved with the Godfather back in the day.
No chance. I have never been more certain of anything in my life. You would have no idea how to handle the Godfather. I grooved with the Godfather back in the day. Byron, you would die. Well, I don't think it would be that bad. What an ovation! Oh yeah!
It's time once again for everybody to come aboard the... Man, I know that I ain't the only one. Is there any pimps up in this house? To all y'all that know that the Godfather be pimping hoes, man, I want to hear you from the top of this building to the front row and everybody in between. Light it up for the Godfather and say...
Ladder match action underway here. Wow.
And while it seems easy enough, I assure you, climbing that ladder is a lot more difficult than it looks, especially after getting hit with it a dozen times.
Set him up. Side Russian leg sweep.
Perfect form.
Shoulder tackle. Nailed it. And the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Beautiful technique. This is a tough spot to find yourself in, that's for sure.
But if anybody could break free from this, it's this superstar right here.
Elbow drop. Piercing. This can go a variety of different ways, Corey. And almost none of them are good. Swing neck breaker. Oof. Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gonna hurt.
Harsh impact. Oh, nasty impact. Oh, alley-oop powerbomb.
That might be it. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. I don't think he expected to be in this position here.
With so much on the line here in this ladder match, he has no choice but to find a way to overcome this attack, guys.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand. Somebody unleashed the Savage.
You gotta believe this one's over. Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Oh, my. A striking blow.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
Look at this. Uranagi! Oh, and he reverses it. Bang! Oh, ooh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
Drew McIntyre beginning to peter out here.
He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win here.
Matches like this really have a way of sapping your energy, as we're seeing with him. He's going to really need to dig down deep if he wants to win this.
Look out here. This could be dangerous.
Well, that'll hinder your modeling career.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact. Carefully setting it up right in the center of the ring.
Oh boy, perfect placement.
Putting it all on the line. Whoa! Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He wants no part of the outside. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Randy Savage. He's stalking his opponent.
The elbow from the Macho Man. This could be it.
All right, don't blow this. It's not very often you stand alone in the ring with the ladder. Now just climb that bad boy and walk out of here with the win.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there.
Corey, you make it sound so easy, but if we're being real, it doesn't matter how many people are in the ring. Climbing that ladder is no easy task.
And just when you think you're at the top and you're within inches of winning, you can bet one of your opponents will make you think otherwise. What do you think? They're not going to just sit there and let you win. I don't think so.
Boom! Clothesline! Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Bulldog! He might have it. On the back of the neck.
But is it enough to end it?
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Here it comes. He's got him. Superplex.
But he's got to capitalize now. Jeez, and I don't like Randy Savage's chances in this one.
The Macho Man.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, and he connects.
There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Oh, this is dangerous right here. Incoming. Nailed it. Back in the ring now. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Heading up the ladder now.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Making their way up the ladder right now.
This is a nerve-wracking situation.
Oh, what a backbreaker.
Man, just ugly impact.
Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
I have a feeling under normal circumstances we would have seen a pinfall by now, but this one isn't about pinfalls, it's about climbing the ladder. He's going for it all. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one. Ooh, what impact.
Not so fast. Today. Look at this.
What height.
Setting it up.
In perfect position, too.
And the slam. Here it comes. Looking for.
Oh, what a slam. That hurt.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Hey, counter here. Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Beautiful technique. Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there.
Down to the floor.
What a stomp. Good grief.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Flying forearm. Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Setting up the ladder, guys.
Here it is.
Going to the top here, guys.
Looking to finish it.
Not an ideal position.
Nasty impact.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
This is it.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Back between the ropes.
Oof. Spinebuster.
Down to the floor.
Here it comes. Looking for.
What a slam.
Impactful.
It'll jar your spine.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
It's Drew McIntyre with the opening. Drew McIntyre's taking advantage now.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
He wants no part of the outside. Going to the top. High risk.
Look at this. Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage there.
Hooked up.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one. Oh, man. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one. Oh, Godfather able to avoid damage.
And what a reversal from Drew McIntyre.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. You gotta believe this one's over.
Goes down hard. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. He's making a statement here with this attack.
McIntyre looking to end this.
Harsh impact.
Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Positioning the ladder in the center of the ring.
I guess the only thing left to do is climb it.
Now he doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Taking another look here, you can see how the ladder just introduces a whole other element.
Some pretty good give and take in this match, as these highlights show.
Look at him go.
This match wasn't exactly a barn burner, but we can't expect every superstar to be on their A game every time, I guess.